I don't know who needs to hear this message, but somebody needs to hear this message today. The only way to make somebody appreciate you and value you when you know you're a high value woman or a high value man is to give that person your silence. You got to let that person know, I value myself. The value that I see within myself has skyrocketed since I seen the value in myself. And if you can't see the value in me, can't appreciate the qualities that I have to offer and bring to the table, then you got to cut that person off. Why do you think life is so hard for you right now? Life is really hard for you right now due to the fact that you have these unappreciative, disgustingly narcissistic, parasitic individuals around you daily. More than one at times. And you know these people are not for you. Your energy does not match with them. It doesn't blend well. It actually causes friction. Silence is a language everybody understands, okay?